Meaning of dragonfly.
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 Dragonfly. The dragonfly is a type of insect with long wings and a slender body. It is known for its vibrant colors and ability to move rapidly in all directions. In many cultures, the dragonfly is seen as a symbol of change, transformation, and adaptability due to its ability to navigate through different environments with ease. Dragonflies are also important predators in aquatic ecosystems, feeding on other insects and even small fish. Overall, the dragonfly represents agility, resilience, and power in both its physical abilities and cultural significance.